My name is Dr. Brian Hancock. I'm an assistant professor in the education department. So the Alma Enrichment Partnership Program is a neat collaboration between Alma College and Alma Public Schools in this case. This semester we are again focusing on science, and we've got a partnership with Pavlik Middle School where we bring 15 students this semester to come to campus for 8 consecutive Friday mornings. And they're working with some of our natural science faculty members to do really cool things in science.
The program is very fun, and it's shown me a lot about science and how to do stuff that I probably wouldn't learn in school.
My name is Ryan Gray. I'm a senior here currently at Alma College, and I am in an IPHS and psychology double major. I've always loved science and stuff, and I remember some of them most memorable sort of experiments that I did throughout middle school and high school, and I was like, oh, I kind of want to give that experience that I had. I want to give it to these middle school students here that are currently in our program today.
I'm academically challenged with it, which I really like. I love challenges, so.
Telescopes and microscopes and all that, it's comprehensible. I can show you how it works and why it works. I love that.
So we are measuring Daphnia's heartbeats, and we're measuring it with some Daphnia having ethanol, which causes your heart to slow down because it's a depressant.
I am Jenna Belmis. I am studying elementary education and special education. And it's been a really great experience. I've been able to kind of facilitate science programs throughout here with the middle schoolers.
We have the middle school students come into the general chemistry lab, and we talk about the interaction between light and matter. They really love fire. And so one of the experiments in the first week is that they get to heat salts and see the emissions from the excitation of transition metals and alkali metals. And so this is the same phenomenon that brings us colors and fireworks. We have more time than their classes anyway. And so I think just getting to do that hands-on exploration, they get a wide variety of different fields of science. They can discover their passions and have an appreciation for other people's passions because they've seen them.
During the week we were doing physics. We had a little bit of extra time, and he took us into the planetarium, and they just absolutely loved it.
The magnifying glass, how it defines on one point and focuses, or it can define and then break off into different spots. And then we took it outside and we saw how it worked.
What I see, especially since we're early in the semester, we got a lot of 6th graders. The first time that they've come to campus and been in academic spaces, it seems like it's a changing experience for them. I think the confidence is really a thing that changes for them. We built it off of some other successful programs, or modeled it off of other successful programs in the country to try to figure out what this would fit both for our school's schedule and then our faculty schedule.
I eventually want to be a physical therapist one day, but when I think no longer want to be a physical therapist, I think pursuing either a degree in education or maybe going back to school to get an education degree. So I think it's definitely opened my eyes up to teaching more in the future.
I also hope that it plants a little seed in some of their minds that, hey, college is a place to go. I could see myself as a college student one day.